Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum and a very good day I bid to Dr. Muhammad Rizan. So today, we are going to present about business model canvas of Lee Cafe. First of all, I'm going to introduce about Lee Cafe, the company background. Lee Cafe was founded in 2019. And what makes Lee Cafe different than other cafes are, Lee Cafe serve beverages, food and books on wheel. Means that they use an old school bus to operate the business. The vision of Lee Cafes is be the destination for the customer to enjoy coffee no matter how busy they are. The mission of Lee Cafe is to provide freshly brewed coffee for their customer to enjoy while reading books in the cafes.
Firstly, I will talk about problem statement. In order to achieve the target of Lee Cafe, a good marketing is need to be done. There will be some problem occur alongside the journey of hardship. Therefore, the company will face a few problems in establish our product and services. For example, the first is problem with raw material. As Lee Cafe is not a well-known brand, we have shortage of raw material. It is because the raw materials such as the ingredients, furniture and books are expensive in the market. Secondly is limited product. Lee Cafe may have problem with the list of coffee and pastries menu in future because our cafe is in the bus. Our product may be limited to sell in the cafe. Even though the product is problem, our cafe has its own unique because we are on the road cafe. Thirdly is lack of technology. The lack of technology happened because the company did not have enough budgets to buy machine and displays for coffee and pastry. Since our trademark is our coffee logo, thus it takes a lot of time to do manually with workers' energy only. Lastly is shortage of worker. Lee Cafe is having shortage of worker because we are still new in the business. In order to have steady growth of business, workers are important to produce our product. Next, I will talk about opportunity recognition. Opportunity recognition means proactively brainstorming a new business venture or expansion idea. A small business owner typically engages in opportunity recognition at the point where he or she realizes that he or she has an idea, strength, or capability that match well with a particular target market. Firstly is find another supplier. Lee Cafe needs to find another supplier of raw material that offer cheaper price in order to expand the business. It will increase the raw material and increase the outcome of the products. Secondly is product variation. Instead of just one type of menu, Lee Cafe should do product varieties. We should produce types of coffee, pastry, and desserts. It will attract a lot of potential customers as they will have a lot of choices. Thirdly is buy a machine. In order to produce more product in short time, the coffee machine and pastry displays is needed. It is because Lee Cafe has its own logo for the product to ensure that products have its own identity and taste. The machine will save a lot of time. Lastly is hiring more workers. When the business expands, Lee Cafe will surely need a lot of hands to smoothen the business. We should hire more cafe workers to improve the existing and upcoming product. It will strengthen our brand. It's the purpose of business model canvas preparation. The business model canvas is a strategic management and entrepreneurial tool. It allows me to describe, design, challenge, invent, and pivot my business model. By digging into these elements of my company, I can recognize the areas that can be improved. It also reveals clear path on which to build my organizational innovation strategy. Gaining a better understanding of my business never hurts. It helps me to communicate my goal in my team. It helps communicate to clients why they should do business with me. It helps put into focus what my business does and how it will continue to do it successfully into the future. The business model canvas is an invaluable tool for startup.
Now, we move to the business model canvas. Business model canvas is a business model describe the rationale of how an organization creates, delivers, and captures values. The elements in business model canvas are consist of 9 building blocks, which is key partnerships, key activities, key resources, value proposition, customer relationships, channels, customer segment, cost structure, and revenue stream. Well, let's look at the detail of business model canvas of our business, Lee Cafe. Key partnership. The key partnership describe the network of suppliers and partners that make the business model work. The key partnerships of Lee Cafe are the suppliers of raw materials of our products, such as flour, coffee powder, cool and blended beverage, recycled books, tables, chairs, and coffee machine services. As the cakes and pastries of Lee Cafe are homemade, so we need the supplier of raw materials to make it. Our cafe used the recycled books to create excitement among consumers. We also receive the recycled books from other people who want to donate it to us. Every month, we have to service our coffee machine to maintain the quality and aroma of coffee to our consumers. The suppliers are very important because it will supply the raw material to produce the products. We also create a strong relationship with the suppliers so that we could avoid any delay of our products. Key activities. Key activities are the activities that involved in business for the primary purpose of making a profit. Our main activities of the Lee Cafe are making the food and drinks that we provide in our bus cafe. For the food, we will bake the cakes and pastry, while for the drinks, we will brew coffee and serve cool and blended beverage in order to make a profit in the same time to satisfy the customer needs and wants. Next, our activities are marketing the products and service. In business, marketing is important to attract the customers to buy our products. Therefore, we use posters, flyers, and social media platforms such as Facebook and Instagram to promote our business. Third, our activities are selling our products to the customer who come in to our bus cafe. Our location is located in Tapak Urban Street Dining Cyberjaya. Selling activities is needed when there are products and customers. During selling activities, we will earn the profit from selling our products to the customer.
What is key resource? Key resource is the needs to undertake activities in business. Without key resource, the business is not going to happen. For Lee Cafe, key resources are cook, server, barista, machine and utensil, and of course, financial. Value propositions. Value proposition is the reason we provided to the customer to choose our cafe. Value proposition can be a single or multiple propositions. To be successful and maintained in the business industry, we need to provide multiple propositions. For Lee Cafe, we propose to our customer is delicious and trendy foods and drink at affordable price. Customer can come, read and borrow our books, and just sit back and relax. And also, we provided a quality of our brand, Lee Cafe. Customer relationship. Customer relationship is important element in business industry. In order to be successful and maintained, we need to fulfill the customer needs and demands. Lee Cafe can maintain a good customer relationship by making conversations, face-to-face communications, and give high-level service to the customer. Channel. Channel is a medium we use to create an awareness to the customer about our product and brand. Lee Cafe have used 2 channels, which are Facebook and Instagram. These 2 platforms has many users, so we can easily approach our target market. And also, we use as promotional tools and to boost our sales. Besides, we can directly communicate with our customer because it has direct messagings, and also we can upload about our information like our locations, our price and promotionals. And we can upload a photo easily and information more about the cafe.
Our cafe, Lee Cafe, will divide the customer into two segments which are focusing on characteristic and preference of the customer. We also focusing for the customer who live nearby the town. This is because town is the right place for the customer to get everything that is easier for customer to access the location. We will serving the variety of dessert, pastries and drinks that are suitable for everyone, even among child. Besides that, we are focusing for the customer who love to read books. We will provide many books, many types of book genre that suitable for every group of people, such as magazine, novels, newspaper, and so on to the customer. Cost structure. Cost structure consists of cost of the bus, rent site, raw material, supplier, packaging, human resource, and marketing. The financing that our cafe do is to pay for rent site, supplier, raw materials, and salary for our employees. Revenue stream. Lee Cafe business income is only obtained from direct selling of the menus that offered, such as variety of bread, cake, sandwich, and many amazing drinks such as juice that make from real fruits, smoothies, and also good coffee. All these variety of foods and beverage will help Lee Cafe to gain more profit to the business. In conclusion, business model canvas is something that is very important and related to the problems where customers are facing. It is our responsibility as an entity to come out and sort out their problem with solution. From this opportunity, Lee's Cafe can satisfy all people with our product and services. From that, it will improve our business growth in achieving and maximize the profit well. We hope in creating new innovation that suits the taste of the people may expand our business in other places in the future.